What up, YouTube? This video was taken on this Saturday afternoon, August 12th, 2023. Time right now is 7:12 p.m. And I don't know if you caught it, but I did a live stream with Stacy earlier today, flying drones. But originally we were going to fly here, but they were still working. So I didn't plug it in. So I ended up coming back this afternoon and they're not working anymore. But these alleys between these two buildings, or I don't know if it's the same building or it's going to be two separate buildings. Looks like it would be pretty neat to fly. That spot that we were flying at in the live stream, a cop showed up and kicked us out, but he was a DJI pilot and he was actually gonna get his Part 107. He's going for the test in 2 weeks, he says. I still don't know if he was called to kick us out or if he was just passing through, which is a shame because that spot seemed like it would be a nice chill local spot for us to fly. But I figured I would just wait. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. I figured I was going to wait 3 months and then start flying that spot again. It's funny, before he kicked us out, he stopped and he kicked a semi that was resting there out, and just flying back there just now, that semi's still there, so the semi didn't listen to him. Oh. I feel like I still have video. I don't have any power, so I ejected the battery. I still have video though. So it shows that I don't have any battery voltage. I thought the video was frozen. Oh, I lost an arm. And I did not eject the battery. Oh, you know what? I lost that ESC, that's why. That's the second arm I broke today. I broke an arm during the, here, I guess I'll show you guys. I broke an arm during the live stream. Oh, man, I just got a fiber splinter, a carbon fiber splinter right there. Oh, that's good. So I ripped some wires off, but I did not rip the pads off the ESC. That's what I was afraid of. I have a bad habit of ripping the pads off the ESC. Well, that's a bummer. I really wanted to try to do a Matic flip there. Okay, well, I have one quad left. 2 quads down, 1 quad left to go. I'll come back when I have that quad ready to fly. Okay, so we're back with a different quad. I put brand new props on this quad. The props were a little janky, and let's hope my flying can be a little better this time. So I have 1 week left of school, and I finished my final project. I submitted it all yesterday, so weight a relief is lifted off of me. And I've been using school as an excuse for why I haven't been being productive and doing like animatronic projects and whatnot. So I'm hoping that after next week, I'm a free agent and I and start doing more projects, more things that I find are fun. Oh, that would have been cool, but I was a little too hot on there. I'm going crooked for some reason. Should have went with it though, because oh, nope. Okay, I don't want to get stuck up here. I guess I'm not feeling it today. I'm putting, either the wind is catching me or I'm putting like a yaw. Let's see what the layout of these apartments look like. I also bought all new chargers, and I'm still having a problem with my chargers, even though I bought all new chargers. I bought the Toolkit M6D, and they were all out of calibration, which nearly killed a battery of mine because I didn't realize they were out of calibration. It's kind of cool that they have a feature that you can calibrate it. See, I want to do something like that, but be nice and smooth, where you kind of do like a, but then you front flip it back, and then you go into a channel. I think that would look cool. But I keep on.
Low battery.
I probably can do it if I don't go that high. So yeah, I emailed Toolkit RC and we'll see what they do. I just haven't had good luck with chargers. My ISDT chargers all developed a problem on cell 1 not charging right, which other people have the same problem. Oh, I wanted to try to hit that gap there. See, I went crooked. I'm inputting a yaw. Well, if I can't fly, oh, that's a tight gap. If I can't do aerobatic stuff, might as well do some exploration. Although, I need to be careful because I've been having some bad cells. Let's see. Can I make it through to the other side of the building? Oh no, I'm stuck. I have no idea how these apartments are set up. I guess the front door must be on this side. That must be the front door. And then this must be a separate apartment, I guess. Or what is this? I can't really wrap my head around how these apartments are set up.
Low battery, 21.7 volts.
Oh.
Low battery, 21.7 volts.
Whoa. Well, that was a lot of fun. Am I still recording? Yep. Okay, even though my flying is horrible, I'm having a lot of fun. So I just hot swapped the battery, and we'll see how much more trouble I can get in. That does not sound good. That one, that must have bent when I did the rear window slide. What? It's still, that's a janky prop. Third time's the charm, right? There we go. Should we do more exploration or do more aerobatic? What is this? It's the, no, just a utility closet, I guess. Yeah, so I've been having bad luck with battery chargers and batteries, and I lost 2 batteries this week for dead cells, but both of them were over 2 years old. Okay, so this looks like a bedroom. This must not be an apartment complex. Look at this half wall here. I'm thinking this is not an apartment complex. What is this, a closet? Either that or they're luxury apartments with weird
Low battery, 2 volts.
low battery already. Do some cricket backwards flying. These things are always fun to play with. Oh, I got to show you the pool in case you guys, you know what, this has to be an apartment complex because there's a pool over here. In case you guys are interested, nice pool. It is a bit of a weird shape for an apartment complex pool, isn't it? Try to power loop this. I knew that that was going to happen. Should I try to?
Low battery, 21.9 volts.
Oh, it's a miracle.
Low battery, 21.8.
In a construction site, you know, the turtle flip out of something is unheard of. Does that mean I should give it a second try with my Matty, ultra low profile Matty? Oh man! I mean, I'm not going to even give it a second attempt. I'm having a lot of fun, but I'm running out of packs. This pack says I only have 400 milliampere hours on it, so I should be good for another 200 milliampere hours, although I'm already getting a low battery. I do have that, what, quarter of a pack left on that first one I crashed where I broke the arm. But I'm just having a lot of fun, even though my flying is horrible. I wonder if it's from flying that HD0 quad. And because I've been practicing with that HD0 quad at home.
Low battery, 32.1 volts.
That visually looks really cool. I should have been doing the Matty flips on the insides. You know what? I'm gonna go and
Low battery, 1.7
oh, hit me in the back. His props are sharp. I'm gonna go and put this one that I have a quarter of battery left in. Look at this. Is this gonna teeter if I hit it? I know it's plywood. Spent all that time focusing on doing Matties on the backside. The key is to do the Matties on the inside. And then not only does it look cool, but you actually have a reference. You see, that was perfect. You actually have a reference to how far you're falling because of those walls. Oh. I don't know what I was thinking there. My flying is way off. But I'm having a lot of fun, even though I'm having a ton of fun. If only my flying. Okay. I just can't get it right landing on top of the Crown Vic. My flying is horrible, but I had a lot of fun this evening. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I got 1 week left of college and the hard part's already done. And then I'm a free agent. So hopefully I'll have more content. I'm planning on doing animatronic videos, which is what everyone's asking about. Also, check out the live stream I did earlier today with Stacey Apshire and tell me what you think about it. Maybe I'll get set up to do live streams more often. I'll see you on the next one.